In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix login error on SoundCloud app. So if you have a login error, there are three reasons why. The first one is network error, the second is account settings, and the third would be your credentials error. Now to fix this problem, the first solution is changing the IP address. So you can either switch to another account or use cellular data. Now the second solution is long press the app and go to app info. So in here, tap on storage and cache and clear your cloud app. So after if you still have this error, try to log in again to your SoundCloud check properly the credentials. But so if you still have this error, the third solution is to check properly the credentials. So these are all the possible fixes on your SoundCloud app error. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.